Hi, there are a few things nobody tells a new developer. I wish I knew them back then when I started. 20 years ago I wrote my first program. It started as a school assignment, but soon I knew this is what I wanted to do. If I started again, this is what I'd do differently. Here is a list of things nobody told me at the beginning, and I wish they did.
Everything is not a top priority. Your bosses talk about deadlines. Everybody is busy and cannot help you when you get stuck. The thing you had to solve last week is still not working. And the guy you work with just got you super confused talking about some new technology. Maybe you should have used that instead of the thing that gives you nightmares now. And then there comes a team meeting. There is so much to do and you feel bad for not contributing more. You should learn faster, code better.
Stop! This kind of thinking will not get you better. It leads to anxiety, sleepless nights, and bad code.
Remember, everything is not a top priority. You cannot learn everything today. You need to learn or find out what is the most important now. If you back up a little, there is only one super important thing. You need to learn how to solve problems. The biggest mistake new programmers make is focusing on learning the syntax instead of learning how to solve problems. Problem solving is a meta skill, the skill you need to acquire all other powers. To solve a problem, you need to understand the problem first. And you don't understand a problem until you can explain it in a super simple English. Ask questions until you hear, yes, this is exactly it. When you understand it, break it down. Create simple solutions for each problem. Then you can put it all together. It's like playing with Legos. First you need to try and test little solutions. Then you can put them together. The first solution might not be the right one. The best way is to use more research time. Plan, research, but not overdo it. Coding is about balance. It would help if you planned, but not overplan. You need to code fast, but coding fast without a plan will take much longer. You need to optimize code and feed the spaghetti code, but do not over-design it. It's balance and it's in. It's an art. Get more involved with the community. Find good mentors and get involved with the community. Oh, I wish I knew before. I've always been a lone wolf. Many years I've worked as a freelancer. Many things I needed to learn by myself. When you get involved, when you have good mentors, when you get good feedback, you grow faster, learn faster, and get better opportunities. When I talk about opportunities, this is what I would do differently if I started all over again. I would learn how to share knowledge sooner, and I would learn how to market myself as a developer. Learn how to write and market yourself. When you write, you crystallize your thoughts and ideas. When you write a tutorial, you need to explain things so everybody can understand. If you can explain in a simple English, then you don't understand it well enough. Writing is the best way to understand things better. And by giving to others what you've learned, you get some extra karma points. The other good thing about sharing your knowledge is that people get to know you and your work. By sharing your expertise through articles or meta presentations, you are marketing yourself. People get to know you and more exciting projects come your way. You can start early. When you learn something new, write about it, share it on a meetup. You will be rewarded for giving it for free. And treat coding as an art. Programming is like an art, both the process of writing code and the code itself. Converting an idea that only existed in your head into reality is an unparalleled feeling. It's a kind of mindfulness that keeps you in a state of flow when you love the work you do. When your product impacts millions and helps them, it's both exciting and scary. Therefore, reduce interruptions, silence your phone, disable notifications, and minimize meetings. When you are in a state of flow and you have planned just enough, you will enjoy it as a painter enjoys creating a painting. Don't forget, you are an artist too. Estimates are not deadlines. This is something that was not clear to me at the beginning and also much later on. Estimates are not deadlines. My clients had the same problem. They asked me for an estimate and then they treated it as a deadline. Again, estimates are not deadlines. You gave an estimate when you had this much information, and you never have all the information at the beginning, not even your clients. Software solutions are a living thing. They're changing and evolving. Users give feedback, clients give feedback, new requirements come, some features have to go away. You never know this at the beginning. Tell yourself and your clients more than once that an estimate is not a deadline. Avoid anxiety and burnout by all means, especially if you are a freelancer or if you work in a highly competitive environment. Stress and anxiety will kill you. And you are here because you love to create and you love to learn. You are not here to get a burnout, yes? Let's summarize. What you need to know when you are starting as a developer and later on. Everything is not a top priority. Learning how to solve problems is a top priority. And get better by being more involved with the community. Learn how to write and how to market yourself by sharing your knowledge. And treat coding as an art. And estimates are not deadlines. And burnout is not the goal. So have a great day. Bye bye.